In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your website using Google Calendar. This is a handy way to keep your audience informed about upcoming events and appointments directly from your website. It's not only efficient, but also adds a professional touch to your online presence. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Google Calendar and sign in using your credentials. This step ensures that you have access to your calendar and allows you to manage the events you want to share. If you're not already familiar with Google Calendar, it's a powerful tool that helps you organize your schedule and share it as needed. Next, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Google Calendar interface. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu, and from there, you'll select Settings. This is where you can manage various preferences and options for your calendar. Once you've adjusted the settings as needed, return to the calendar view. Here, you'll want to find and open the specific event you want to embed on your website. Simply click on the event and a detailed view will pop up. Scroll down to the bottom of these event details where you'll find the embed code. Copy this code. It's crucial as it allows you to share the event through your website. The embed code is a small snippet of HTML which essentially acts as a bridge between Google Calendar and your website. After copying the embed code, the next step is to open your website editor. This could be Google Sites, WordPress, Wix, or any other platform you're using to build or maintain your website. The process might vary slightly depending on your platform, but the core concepts generally remain the same. You'll then add or select the section of your website where you want the event to appear. This involves choosing a specific area or page where the calendar event will fit seamlessly into your overall website layout. Now look for an option labeled Embed or something similar in your website editor. Select Embed Code. This is where you will paste the Google Calendar embed code that you copied earlier. Once you've pasted the code, click Next. This should show you a preview of how the event will look on your site. Finally, take a good look at the preview to ensure everything is displaying correctly. If it looks good to go, simply click on Insert to add the event to your web page. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar event is now live on your website. This integration allows your visitors to stay informed and engaged, making it easier for you to communicate important dates directly through your online platform. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more tips and tricks in our next video.